Our topic today is coefficient. What is coefficient? What is the meaning of coefficient? What does coefficient means? Coefficient is the number before unknown variable or letters. Example, find the coefficient of the following. I want you to note that all these x, p, k, y, f, p and p that we use there, they are called unknown variables in mathematics. And by the time you solve them in an equation and you get the exact value of it, it becomes known variable. But today, we want to find the coefficient. In question 1, we have x. The coefficient of x here, the coefficient of x is 1. Then number 2, we have 5p. The coefficient of 5p is 5, the number in its front. Number 3, we have minus 8k. The coefficient of minus 8k, the coefficient of k is minus 8. Number 4, take note, it is coefficient of p that is equals to 5. Coefficient of k is minus 8. Number 4, we have 3 over 5y. The coefficient of y is 3 over 5. Number 5, we have 2.3f. The coefficient of f is 2.3. Number 6, we have 0.36p. The coefficient of p is 0.36. And question 7, we have 10 over 3p. The coefficient of p is 10 over 3. So I want you to try this drill. Find the coefficient of the following and put your answer in the comment section. 4 over 3r minus 2k over 5, 8 over 7p. Then question 4 is 0.0003a. Number 5, you have minus 10t. 6 minus 28p. Then number 7, you have 3.42n. Put your answer in the comment section. Thank you.